Let me tell you about the charming Magellanic penguins. When you think of penguins, you might imagine the cold Antarctic and vast distances. But these friends are a bit different. First, the heat is no problem. Magellanic penguins live in the warm climates of South America. They enjoy the coasts of Chile and Argentina. Not only can they withstand the cold, but they're also strong against the heat. Second, how do Magellanic penguins show love? When looking for a mate, they court with dance and sound. Isn't that romantic? Once they pair up, they are monogamous, staying together for life. Penguin love does not tolerate betrayal. They are truly masters of true love. Lastly, have you heard their distinctive walk? These friends make quite a loud noise when they walk. Their bouncing gait is sure to melt your heart. You definitely need to check them out.